Have you ever heard about a bear that protects nature and teaches humans kindness? This story will help you improve your English, learn a beautiful Canadian folktale, and understand an important lesson about respecting nature. Welcome to Talk Through Tales, a channel where we learn English through simple and meaningful stories from around the world. Today's story is a Canadian folktale called The Spirit Bear. Long ago, in the deep green forests of Canada, there lived a rare white bear called the Spirit Bear. He was not an ordinary animal. People believed he was a spirit sent by nature to protect the forest and keep balance in the world. The Spirit Bear lived near clear rivers and tall trees. He was calm and gentle. He never harmed animals without reason. Because of him, the forest stayed peaceful and alive. One cold winter, a young hunter named Eli came into the forest. His village had little food. He wanted to hunt a bear to help his people. As he walked deeper into the forest, he suddenly saw a white bear shining softly in the snow. Eli felt afraid and surprised. He had never seen such a bear before. He lifted his bow, but his hands began to shake. Would Eli hunt the bear or listen to his heart? The Spirit Bear looked at Eli with kind eyes. Then, in a calm voice, the bear spoke. "Why do you come with fear and anger?" Eli dropped his bow. He said, "I came for food, but I do not want to harm you." What would the Spirit Bear do now? The Spirit Bear touched the ground with his paw. Suddenly, fish filled the river and berries grew on the bushes. "Take only what you need," the bear said. "Respect nature and nature will help you." Eli returned home with food and wisdom. He shared the story with his village. Will the people change their ways? From that day on, the villagers protected the forest. The Spirit Bear slowly disappeared, but his spirit remained. This story teaches us that nature is not our enemy. It is our friend. If you enjoy this story, like the video, subscribe to Talk Through Tales, and comment what lesson did you learn from the Spirit Bear.